Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi and today I have just thought to record a video so that I can speak English randomly. See, right now I'm in my lane. I have just started driving the car, and as you can see that I have stopped my car over here because there is one another car ahead of me. And so now they have given indication to come ahead because they have parked their car anyhow to a small parking area. Actually that is not a parking area, that is a empty land where some anyone can park their car. Actually you can see that this is the land for giving pass to another vehicle, so it's very congested as you can see. I hope I will not meet with another like a difficult situation in the same lane, otherwise I don't have any problem. It becomes a little difficult for me to pass my vehicle whenever another one is also here. But on busy roads I can drive easily. See, one like vegetable vendor is also going ahead of me, and I think he is just trying to give me pass. Although he was going to the opposite direction so that he can sell his vegetables, but he gave me pass, and now I need to take right turn. I think I will go on opposite road because you know there was only one road before 1 year. Right now the road has been completely changed, and this is the first road, so I have to take now left turn. Okay, I need to go to in the last road from the left side. So I think I need to go to more towards 3 kilometers ahead, then I will take left turn. Basically we don't have many cyber cafes in our area. We need to go to little bit far away from our home. But it's not that much difficult, I would say, to go and to get your work done. By the way, this is my first time to talk randomly in English. Sometimes I am unable to find out some like confused, I would say. I am able to find out words, but yes, for everything I think you need to be habitual of something. So I'm not habitual of doing random talk. Yes, this is. But yes, today I have thought to do it, and whenever I will get a chance I will do it because this is good. I think this is good. So I need to go to left side. Now you can see that how to say this, these are, we say these truck, I don't know what to say truck in English, but these are trucks. So this is the basically the road for trucks, and you can see the conditions of road because of these kind of heavy vehicles are being driven in this road. Now there has been opened so many shops, and when I came here before there were not these much shops. So right now I'm little confused and I need to check the cyber cafe. Where was it? I need to check in my right side. I hope I will find it easily. Let's see, where is it? I think Dinesh Digital Photo Studio. Where is it? Where was it? If I don't find this cyber cafe right now, I will have to take another turn, so that will become difficult for me. So I have to find out that cyber cafe. Now I have came again in my car and sat in the car. So I have get filled my form also. The cyber cafe was upstairs. What happened at that time when I was coming over here, the phone was stopped working automatically, because I put my mobile phone over here, and this is the place where the phone becomes very much heated, and again I have to go to from this road, the last one, the road I have to take U-turn again. And I know that whenever I will put my mobile over here, because of heat, this will stop working automatically again. I can't stay here for long time. I have to go to. Let's see what happens whenever the phone will stop working. Just understand it automatically that Meenakshi's phone has been stopped working. So now I have to take U-turn from this side. The trucks are coming over here again. And I think I have told you, I think that time my phone was working, and I have told you that in this road mostly trucks are being driven. Today I'm talking randomly, so sometimes I'm thinking that I'm speaking this sentence wrong. I'm also thinking like that. But if you have thought that you need to improve your English, so you need to speak something, otherwise you are not going to make mistake. And definitely if you are not going to make mistake, you are not learning anything, right? You can see that in front of me there is a mandir, a temple. I'm habitual to say it mandir. It's temple of Hanumanji. Like, this is the main problem of the lane or routes near my home. When two vehicle comes against each other, it's become difficult to move your car, to drive your car actually. Now I have reached exactly in my lane. This is my lane. I feel most difficult to drive in this lane whenever any another vehicle stands in the same. And you can see, as I have told you, that exactly another vehicle is in front of me. But what I need to do, I will stop my car over here. I don't reverse my car whenever some another car in the same lane. It's difficult for me to reverse in the small, narrow lane, to reverse my car. So as I told you in the starting, some construction is being done over that house. So some I don't know what to say, eats, and some Rita is also being dropped through that car. So they are working something, and they will not park their car until I blow horn. I need to bother them for a while.